Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, hello. So today is another cloudy day in Cyprus, and I always wanted to wait until it's gonna be a cloudy day so I could photoshoot my car in one amazing spot which you'll see soon. But first we have to wash the car because after the drift day it got really dirty. So first we go pick up my friend if he will be able to go. After that we will go to the car wash. After this we'll go to the location to photoshoot to make some cool photos and yeah, have a bit of fun. Anyway guys, see you there. That's how you ask your friends to help you with filming. You buy them the sandwich from the past. Look who's coming. Look at him. Takes him 20 minutes to get out of his house. Did I hit you? Here's your sandwich. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Thank you.
Right now we're in a splash dash car wash. We've got to wash the car because as you can see it's really nice and clean. Anyways, Nikita will help me to... I don't see my... Stop doing that! With this thing and my phone to film how the car will be washed. Anyways, let's start. Move to Cyprus, they said. There's very little people, there should be no traffic. Alright.
Well, I guess that's the place we're going.
Yeah, that's old Zopas factory. We tried to see what it is, and apparently it's a chicken eggs factory, whatever the hell it is. Anyways, it's abandoned, there's no one ever in there. The gates are open, so if it's not closed, it's open, so we can get in. It actually looks like some kind of Mr. Vampire house. Look at this thing. Alright guys, a little change of plans. Because there is a car in there, we will not go inside. But still, the area outside is pretty sick too, I believe, for the photos. If we edit them nicely, they can look good. So let's try it. Also have the gorgeous sunset. And yeah, just utilize whatever we have because we already went here. We cannot lose the chance to take some awesome photos, or at least to try to take them. Alright, the camera we're using is Canon EOS 7D with a 28 to 135mm lens. It's a pretty old camera. It's not even a Mark II, it's Mark I. Anyway, it's an old camera which doesn't really perform well in the dark times when it's night, so I have to do everything quickly. Alright, he's gonna be driving the car to park it the way I want it, and also he will help me to go through all this beautiful road you can see there. You'll see better soon. In order not to bottom end and get stuck in there, because the road there is pretty terrible, but I believe the photo will be beautiful.
You should have seen what you drove on. Like really, it's a lot of nails, a lot of glass, a lot of shit.
Here's the cake.
Well.
Alright, so now you saw the photos. Make sure you follow Crazy Alex Photos to see more other photos of other different cars. The thing is time to change the location because it's dark, and I did not everything I wanted because I wanted to go inside and film, but because it was locked there was a car inside. We don't know what the hell is going on. So I think we'll go to University of Cyprus to do some more shooting. After this, go back to our homes.
Well, this is the struggles of owning a BMW.
We came to University of Cyprus, but unfortunately there's a lot of cars in the area, so I don't think I'll make any nice shots. Plus my camera is 10 years old, so I don't think I'll be able to make the photos with my camera. And anyway, I guess we'll finish this vlog for today. Guys, the video is not finished yet because we went to the mall and just look at this view. We have to take pictures here, we have to. I got my camera ready, Nikita is on the driving seat, and let's get ready for the photos.
All this.
Alright guys, so now that's definitely it for today. The last photos are always the best photos, as I found out with photography. And yeah, I really enjoyed photo shooting in this area. Definitely have to come back here a lot of times because it's perfectly lit up in the night. So this is my #1 spot in the night for Nicosia, because in Limassol we have another underground parking where we're going for a photo shoot in the night. But so officially 2 GoPros died during this vlog, and we're finishing with an almost dead phone. Yeah, as I said, we have #1 place in Limassol, and now finally I have #1 place in Nicosia, which definitely, if I will do a photo shoot, I'm gonna come here for the night. And yeah, anyway guys, that's it for tonight, or for today, and hopefully I'll see you soon with some more awesome content. And yeah, see you there. Have a great week. Until the next time, goodbye.